Currently, weather conditions are overcast. We're dealing with some sprinkling right now, drizzle. The biggest situation right now we're dealing with is the wind. The wind's gusting between 15 and 20 miles an hour. Later on, in about 2 hours, the forecast is calling for 100% chance of rain. Now, I don't know if that's 100% chance it's going to continue to drizzle or 100% chance it's going to downpour. So we'll see how that goes. As far as my equipment goes today, I can't bring my camcorder out. It is not rainproof. So we will be recording off of my iPhone 17 Pro Max. It is rain resistant, and I do have a fluid head with a mount for it. And this thing takes really good video. It's what I'm recording on right now. And I just think that we'll get some really good shots if we do get a deer to come out. I do plan on filling my tags this year, and where I'm at in Ohio, we can get 3 doe or we can get 2 doe and a buck. I would really like to take my buck first, so I probably will be passing on some deer. There is quite a few nice bucks out here. There's a few 10 points. There's an 8 point. I know there's a spike 4 point. But there's one buck in particular that's my target buck for the year. He's a 13 point. He looks about 150 inches. And he would be bigger than anything that I have on my wall right now. So he's the one I'm after. If I see one of these 10 points come out that are nice, you know, it's going to be hard to resist and let him walk. But that's what I'm going to do this year. He's really got me excited just because every deer I've shot so far has been typical, meaning either 4 on one side, 4 on the other, 5 on one side, 5 on the other, and they're symmetrical. This one is the first buck that I've seen on my trail cameras that I've had a chance at that's got something a little non-typical, and all it is a little kicker that is kicking off his right brow tine off to the right, and then off the front of his brow tines he's got 2 more little spikes coming off the front. So I mean, it's not like a, oh wow, big giant 13 point. No, he's a solid 10 point, but he's got 3 kickers on him. Tomorrow there's a cold front moving through, and the rain's going to stop in the middle of the night tonight. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, it's going to be 39 degrees outside. In perspective, right now it's 51 degrees, and it's raining and windy. So tomorrow, I think it's going to be a really, really good chance to get those deer up and moving, especially those bucks, and hopefully give myself the best opportunity, best chance. Well, that was not a very successful hunt. I could have sat out there for another hour until the sun goes down, but with it gusting the way it was and raining the way it was, probably not going to see anything. And I wouldn't mind sitting out there until then, but when my rainproofing stops rainproofing and the temperature starts dropping down into the low 40s, it's time for me to go. Soak through to my hoodie, soak through to my socks, and I just don't see a point in sitting out there for another hour in this weather condition. Sure, something might come out, but I'm really excited about tomorrow. Tomorrow it's going to be 39 degrees, no rain, 5-mile-an-hour breeze. Should be a really good day tomorrow to get out there and get one down. Just remember that any bad day hunting is better than any good day at work. I'll see you guys in the morning. Like, subscribe.